So guys, let me show you guys how to find the calculator that is in your smartwatch. So have two smartwatch here. So if you are looking on how you can be able to be calculating with your smartwatch, I want to give you the intel on how you can literally do this. First, before you get to start using calculator on your smartwatch, you have to make sure that your smartwatch has the ability to calculate. Now, so not every smartwatch has the ability to be able to calculate. So real quick, like for example, now this smartwatch now has a calculator, so you can easily find it on the menu. You can easily find it on the menu right here. So and also you can find it when you are scrolling, like let's say you are scrolling like this. Let me show you guys. When you double tap on the screen, you can also see it right here. So I want to show you guys how to calculate real quick with this smartwatch. Let's say that you want to calculate something. Let's say 2 plus 2 is equals to what? 4. So you can easily calculate with your smartwatch if your smartwatch have the ability to calculate. You understand? So like for example, now this smartwatch doesn't have calculator. Let me show you guys. This one doesn't have a calculator, so you cannot be able to calculate with this particular smartwatch. So if you're asking how to calculate, because a lot of my subscribers can ask me how to find the calculator that is in my smartwatch, this, that. Not all smartwatch has calculator. So if you want to calculate with your smartwatch, make sure that your smartwatch has a calculator, because this one now has a calculator, so you can be able to calculate with this one but not with this one. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this video very helpful, like and subscribe. Thanks.